Hi guys, today we will explain about how to apply for level 2 on Webull. This process will be simple and easy, so let's get started. Once the app will be opened, you will see the option menu on the left bottom. Just click on it, and here you can find the option setting. Click on the option setting, and on the second number, you can find the option manager brokerage account. Just click on it. And now on the fourth number, you can find option level trading. My account is already on level 2, so that's why you can see the option 2. But if you are on the first level, then you will see the option level 1. In both of case, you have to tap on this option trading level. Just scroll down a bit, and you will find the option reapply. You just have to click on this option and reapply. And tap on this. I have read all the instructions and click on continue. Simply click on all the options like me, and here you have to choose your level. If you are on level 1, then you have to tap on the option level 1. So I am clicking on it. Choose one, and I will select level 2 because my account is already on level 2. But if you are on level 1, then you have to select this option, level 1. The next thing is tap on the option continue. And now you have been applied for level 2. The last thing is tap on the option. Okay, then they will notify you when you will be approved for level 2. And it was the primary way by which you can apply for level 2 in Webull.